Here's a sweet 1950s mini switchblade. This has a horn handle. I'm not really catching all the different colors in here, but it's nice on the front. And the back is really cool. It has a little groove in the horn, just a natural groove. This is a 10 centimeter, so 4-inch. I believe 50s, like I said. It has a slip-in spring. It has soldered on bolsters. It has a dagger blade. The mark is Inox over Italy. I got my fan going above me. And it even has a de-stamped liner. You can see it right there, kind of. Anyway, this is one of my favorite knives. I don't have a lot of these mini Italians and horn, so this one was really nice to get. Just wanted to share this one today. There you go.